What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Brandon Video. Today I am opening up another 3-pack blister of Chilling Range. The Snorlax 3-pack blister. Please open up. Okay. There has to be a better way. Okay, that opened up. Here's the promo, if you have not seen this promo yet. Here's the code card. Let me sleeve the promo real quick. Okay. And we're back. Here's the coin for anybody who has not actually, hold on, let me get the coin to focus. Has not seen the coin from the 3-pack blister. It's just a Genesect coin, but we did get 1 Ice Rider pack and 2 Galarian Zapdos. Let's actually start with a Galarian Zapdos since we do have 2 of those. I'm hoping for an alternate art, but knowing my luck with this set, probably won't. I would love the Zora one. Zora. But obviously, we won't get that. Water Energy, Fiona, Haunter, Keldra, Inkay, Diglett, Scorbunny, Shuppet, Cubfu, and the reverse is a Coughing, and a Thunderous Hollow. I didn't even know Thunderous had a hollow in this set. That shows you how, I guess, little I pay attention to the hollows in this set. Hold on. Okay. Let's see. Can we get anything other than a hollow? I'll take 1 V. Fire Energy. Crabominable. Fiona. I can't say these trainers' names ever for some reason. Haunter. Larvesta. Inkay. Rockruff. Ghastly. Ladybug. Ooh, the reverse is a reverse rare Golurk and a Galarian Weezing. So far not bad. Last but not least, the final pack of this 3-pack blister. Please do take 1 code card if you do take a code card. I would like for more than 1 person to get a code card. Psychic Energy, Crabominable, Fire Resistant Gloves, those are just oven mitts. Peony, Clobbopus, Mareep, Ralts, Rainy Form, Cast Form, Snowbird. The reverse is Melanie and a Zangoose non-hollow, but that is a really cool Zangoose. But we did get 1 single hollow and the promo, but that's going to be it. If you do want to see more, please do leave a like and subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Bye!